Hey guys, it's LPS Trixie. Today I'm going to be unboxing Littlest Pet Shop Lucky Pets Wave 2. I have seen videos of Wave 1 and the pets of Wave 1 weren't the best. So today I'm going to be unboxing Wave 2. And these pets are better than Wave 1. And there's a specific pet I want from there and I hope I get it. So yeah, let's get started. So here it is. I already opened the top. So the last thing I need to do is just crack it open. People are asking, well, LPS 2 are asking why there is another layer of plastic, and the reason that why Hasbro added another layer of plastic is because then the fortune cookie will break, and the only thing you'll see is the purple bag. And that will kind of be boring because the whole point of this is to crack it open. So then that's why Hasbro added another layer. But anyways, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm just very excited or clumsy today. Oh my gosh, it's just really weird. Let's get you back over here. Looks pretty, it's just weird. I don't know how to explain it. It feels like foam. Yeah, it feels sort of like foam. I don't know if I should crack it like this or crack it from half. I'll crack it like this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That's fun. Alrighty. And this thing, that's it. Alrighty, that's fun. Alright, so the first thing we got is our checklist. I'm going to show you the one I want from this. So this is our thing. It has a cat and a 7 and a calendar. I don't really know what that's supposed to mean, but yeah. So, it's exciting. Here it is. Some LPS aren't the greatest. But yeah, the one I want from here is this dog and this turtle. And maybe, just maybe, this dog. From the lucky section, I guess I want this one. I like the colors and the mold. And this bunny. And this little, I forgot what it's called, but yeah. I mean, there's not really much here. Here's the back, so I'll be doing that last. Let's check what we got. From here. We got a bone. I think I know which one we're getting. I think we're getting the koala. Man, this koala is so ugly. But yeah. Or we could get this koala or this cat right here, because this one also has a bone. But I don't know, it looks more yellowish. It's like yellow, but yeah, whatever. I think I'm getting the koala. Koala, come out. Yep, I got the koala. Gosh, ew. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This koala is not perfect. I like the mold, it's just the colors are just ugly. Alright, so that's what it came with. Now let's just back up a little bit. Now let's do this thing. Alright, let's start. I don't really know how to do this, but I'll try my best. So it says charm icon color. So my charm is yellow. As you can see, it's yellow. So you will enjoy, and the number 7. Okay, so you will enjoy magic And today is Friday after dinner. Okay. So it says, you will enjoy magic on Friday after dinner. So my dad is technically cooking some chicken outside. My dad's right now like telling us to eat. Okay, I guess I'll like find some thing after dinner, magic after dinner. Alright, I guess it's time for dinner. Let's see what happens. Probably nothing, but alright guys, I'm gonna hurry up. It's dinner. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give this video a big like.